Okay, so we are gonna get ready to paint our vent cover, and I'm using spray paint. So it is Bare Premium. It already has paint and primer in it, and I don't have to sand this or anything. It is ready just to be painted, which is really nice. So one thing, I'm not gonna paint in the back because that's not gonna show. It's gonna be up here, and just you wanna make sure that you get all the inside of all this design when you're spray painting it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna just set it on the ground, just kind of shake up my paint, and just
How many coats do you think we need to do?
I'm gonna do one and see how it dries, but it looks like it's covering it pretty good. And as I just go like this and I go down it, it's gonna get all those inside. And you kind of want to do it the same distance to do the whole thing. So you kind of want to have a few inches away and just kind of
So it looks like
go through it. You don't.
It looks like the paint's going on really nice.
Really easy. This is really nice.
That looks phenomenal.
Yep. Just make sure you get all the sides. You don't have. And this is going on really nice. Depending on how dark you want it, I think one coat should be good on this. Make sure you get it all in. Here we go. We ended up using Bare Premium white satin paint, and it has paint and primer in it, which I recommend. We did go back and do the edges one more time just to make sure that all the wood was painted, and it was great and smooth, and we love it. All right, so this is the original vent cover that we're gonna switch out, and this is my daughter's bedroom. Okay, so it's been about 4 hours, and this is pretty dry. So it dried pretty quickly, and it's very simple and easy to paint. The spray paint worked very well, and it got in all the little designs, and it looks great. I've done a lot of painting projects before, and this was very simple, and it looks beautiful. Okay, so here is how the final product looks. It is absolutely beautiful. I love the design. It adds an element to my daughter's bedroom. We're gonna add 2 more to her bedroom, and I'm gonna have her help paint them because it's so fun. If you wanna add these decorative vent covers to your home, go to the link in the video description below. They are by Christopher Scott Design. There are multiple patterns, one that'll fit your home.